In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your Crypto.com wallet. Let's get started by navigating to the Crypto app, where you'll find the platform designed for securely buying, selling, and trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, and over 400 other altcoins. This versatile app is your gateway to the exciting world of cryptocurrency, offering a seamless and user-friendly interface that caters to both beginners and seasoned traders. Once you've reached the homepage of the Crypto app, your first objective is to locate the menu icon represented by three lines situated at the upper left corner of the screen. This is what we often refer to as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on it. This menu provides you with an array of options to get you started on your crypto journey. It's a simple yet effective path to navigate through the app's wide range of features. With the menu open, the next step is to find and select the crypto wallet option. This is where you'll manage all your cryptocurrency transactions and view your holdings. Within this section, you'll be provided with two primary choices to set up your wallet: creating a new one from scratch or importing an existing wallet. If you've previously owned a crypto wallet and have the necessary recovery phrase or private key, you can effortlessly import it, which can be a convenient option for those who are already embedded in the world of crypto. This is great for resuming activities without the need to start over. However, for newcomers, setting up a new wallet is straightforward and intuitive. If you choose to create a new wallet, the app will guide you through the process. This often involves establishing security measures such as setting up two-factor authentication to protect your assets. Remember, safeguarding your wallet is crucial in the field of cryptocurrency, where digital security reigns supreme. Should you opt to import a wallet, make sure that only you have access to your recovery phrase or private key, as these are the keys to your digital kingdom. Throughout this process, take your time to become familiar with the app's interface. It's intended to be user-friendly, but exploring it a bit can help you unlock its full potential. The beauty of the Crypto app lies in its ability to simplify complex tasks, making your engagement with cryptocurrency smooth and efficient. And that's it. You've just set up your Crypto.com wallet, which is an essential step to accessing the vibrant realm of cryptocurrencies. Whether you choose to start afresh or bring in a pre-existing wallet, the Crypto app is developed to accommodate your needs with ease. Now you're equipped to explore crypto transactions comfortably, enjoy your journey, and happy trading.